My name is Rick Lacken. I'm the principal of a business advisory and accounting practice called The Firm. We're a small boutique firm. We're based on the Sunshine Coast, top end.
Hi, my name's Nicole. I'm a senior accountant at The Firm.
As accountants, we're really passionate about helping people with business. Our firm used a legacy accounting software. It was an archaic Lodgement system and we've had to change. By using LodgeiT, we're able to create better time saving within the office that allows us to really concentrate on what we like to do, working with the clients on their businesses.
Our previous software didn't integrate with any bookkeeping softwares. What we had to do was actually manually data enter the data into the software. We've found that LodgeiT has halved the time that we take on every job. It means we have more time to spend with our clients. It means we can value add a lot more projects on top of just the core compliance work that we do, and we find that our clients really benefit from this. LodgeiT is very simple and easy to use. We actually found that there wasn't a lot of training needed. Our staff sort of just learnt as they went.
Other accountants have to understand that having a server, even though they seem to think it's safe, is not a safe option.
We're a small business. There's 8 of us in our office and not one of us is trained in IT. When you use something like QuickBooks or LodgeiT, they have teams of people that work solely for their security.
Using QuickBooks and LodgeiT together, we're able to complete our jobs a lot faster. It's integrated, it's all in one place, and our clients find it a great product.